How to custom metadata easy and quick on Linktree. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to custom it. First all you need to do, open your browser and then click this icon here in the top corner. Now click settings and then once you're here, all you need to do, just scroll down until you find this one here, and here we'll find a custom metadata, and here you can custom it. It's easy. I hope that can help you. You can add here your meta title and then meta description. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.